Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you how to mute YouTube video on phone. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to mute videos here inside the YouTube app, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, if you try playing any video here inside the YouTube app, you might notice that if you click on the actual video, there's no option for you to control the volume or even mute it. So how do you exactly control the volume? So typically to control the volume, you just need to use the actual buttons on your phone. So at the right side or left side, depends on your phone, you should see you should be able to click the in this case volume reduction button here, which is the bottom part of your volume. As you can see here now, it's going to appear, or this is what it's going to look like. So you just need to make sure that it's fully down so that the YouTube video is going to be muted. Now, the thing with this one is it also mutes every sound that is coming from your phone. So if you want to mute YouTube, this is the only way for you to basically remove or mute the YouTube video. So there's no other way here as of this moment. So that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.